Hello friends, welcome to channel HT Book. Today I have a new smartphone, Vivo U20. This is the new smartphone which launched in India. I purchased this phone in first sale. So in this video I am going to tell the specifications and doing unboxing. So without wasting the time, let's start the video. What a condition of bill they did. The main highlights of the phone. This one is case. This one is really good quality, transparent, and this is a SIM ejector tool and some basic paperworks. Okay, let it put on the side. This is the manual guide, maybe. Yes. Okay, put it this side. Okay, let's put it the side and check the what else come in the box. This is the charger, and it have to be a fast charger. Yes, it's a 18-watt charger. And the cable is USB type, but don't worry, it's a fast charger. Okay, now let's see the smartphone and boot this phone. Okay, this is come with the Fun Touch OS. Welcome. Set up your phone. English. Wow, they provide a really big screen, guys. It's a 6.5 inch screen. But it has some bezels in end and also in front. It's not a top to top bezel-less phone. Let's skip this. Which location? Congratulations, your phone has been set up. Okay. Guys, this phone booted too quickly. Okay, this is the interface of our Vivo U20 and it looks very pretty. The smartphone is very lightweight actually. Okay, they provide some pre-installed applications: Amazon, Ghana, Google Duo, WhatsApp, Facebook, WPS Office, Hello. Let's see, can we uninstall the applications or not? Can I uninstall it? Yes, you can uninstall the pre-installed applications. Now check the camera. Okay, allow. Now let's check out the specification. This phone comes with a Snapdragon 675 SoC. The screen is 6.5 inches Full HD Plus with water drop notch display, and they have a triple rear camera. The main camera is 16 megapixel, the secondary is 8 megapixel, the third is 2 megapixel, and the front is 16 megapixel. They provide a 5000 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charger, and you can also do a reverse charging. It comes in two variants, 4GB RAM and 6GB RAM. And this one is a 6GB of RAM, and it's running on Android 9 Pie. And this phone have a plastic body, not a glass, but it's a really good quality of plastic. Now let's look up the body. In the end, you can see the two screws actually. Here are a speaker grill. This is the charging port. This is the mic, and this one is a headphone jack. In the right side, there are a volume rocker and a lock unlock key. Front are totally clear. In left side, these are a SIM tray. Now let's check what type of SIM tray they provide. Yes, it's a triple slot. You can insert two SIM with a micro SD card. Oh my god, it's very tight. I will attach some photo samples in the end of a video. After some days of usage, I will do the review video of this smartphone. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell notification.